Are you struggling with thin edges? Yes, many people silently struggle with thinning edges. Hair loss along the hairline can be extremely frustrating, especially when it begins to affect styling choices and confidence. Many people experiencing thinning edges feel embarrassed or unsure about how to fix the issue. Well, I am going to show you. Look at this beautiful style. Look how gorgeous it looks. Let's jump right into this video on how to fix these edges. As you can see, my client here, she does have some thinning edges on both sides and around the very frontal of her hair. And I am going in by starting off moisturizing and hydrating her hair with what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with shea butter, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, almond oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. Yes, it is packed with all the essential oils to promote hair growth, and as you can see, it is hydrating her edges. Look how her edges look now opposed to how they looked before the hair butter was applied. And yes, then I'm going in with my brushing method. Yes, ladies, we need to make sure that we are brushing our hair regularly, and that also stimulates our hair follicles and promote hair growth. If you're interested in ordering our hair growth butter, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website so you can get your order in today. So yes, I started off by lightly braiding 8 braids going to the back. And the back braids, I'm going to braid these going from side to side. I know with a lot of crochet styles, people braid their braids going down. However, I love this braid pattern going from side to side because it helps the crochet braids to lay nice and flat. And that's what we want, ladies. We want to have a nice flat finish. If you have not tried this braid pattern, this is the best braid pattern that I have found that is flat, that does not leave any humps, lumps, or bumps. So as you can see, those 8 braids that I braided backwards, the braid that I did going from side to side or ear to ear, I'm taking those braids and I am lightly crocheting them underneath that braid that's going from side to side or from ear to ear. As you can see here, I'm just taking the end of the braid, I'm putting it in my latch hook, and I'm just lightly pulling it through that braid. This is going to give us a nice flat finish and a flat feel and a flat look at the top, and that's what we want. I love this braid pattern. This is the braid pattern that I use the majority of the time, especially with those who have long hair or thick hair, because you don't want any humps or lumps. So again, once I finish crocheting all these braids underneath, then I'm just going to take all the back braids and I'm going to braid them from side to side or from ear to ear, as you just seen. And yes, here they are. We are using some ocean wave crochet curls or crochet braids. Yes, this is the perfect hair for this style. It is easy to work with. They don't shed, they don't slip, they don't slide. Very easy for beginners. So I suggest, if you have not tried these ocean wave crochet curls or crochet braids, try them. You will love them. I usually start crocheting in the back, as you can see here, and I start in the back and I start at that very bottom braid because I do want to make sure that my clients are able to pull their hair up off their neck without seeing any braids. So that's why I start in the back and make sure that the back is nice and full only on that back braid. And I also do finger spacing. What is finger spacing? I take my finger and I put my finger there between each crochet. I find that this helps the crochets lay nice and flat, smooth, and it keeps it from being very bulky. Sometimes we're not sure how many crochet braids to put on each braid, and this helps. So again, using that finger spacing will definitely help you when you are doing crochets. And Once I finish the back braid, I kind of work my way around to the sides, and then I go to the front and to the top because I want to make sure that the top and the front is covered. Sometimes when I have clients who have hair loss, thin hair, or alopecia, we want to make sure that those areas are definitely covered, and the top and the front will a lot of the times fall down over the back, so the back can be a little spacey and a little more sparsy than the top and the front. You want to make sure that that top and that front is full so that it can give that natural look, so it can be flawless, and that's what we want. So again, ladies, make sure that you are spacing and that you are not putting the crochets too close together, and make sure whatever braid pattern that you're using, that it's going to give you that nice flat look and nice flat finish when you are done, because that's what we want. And sometimes when you have clients who have thick hair or long hair, it gets to be a little bulky. And always when you are doing your crochets, when I do mine, I don't go underneath the entire braid. I go through the braid. I'm going and I'm speeding it up because of the time length of the videos. People do not like watching really long videos anymore. So a lot of the details of videos, you kind of have to speed through them. But this is very important to remember, not to go underneath the entire braid. You want to just go through the braid like you see I am doing here. I'm not going underneath the entire braid. I'm just going through a portion of the braid, and that is going to make sure that the braid lays and be versatile, just like this. Oh my gosh, look at this finished results. You will never know that her hair is thin on the sides. These ocean waves came out absolutely gorgeous. This is a burgundy color, and it came out so full. Look at that. My client is so in love with this style. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. Look at that part. It looks absolutely natural. You will never know that her edges were thin at all. So if you are dealing and struggling with thin edges, you too can wear beautiful styles just like this. Look at my client looking in the mirror. She is saying how much she loves it, how great it came out. She's super happy about it. Again, if you are struggling with thin edges, use that braid pattern. Your hair will come out flawless every single time. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. Please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I share and upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.